Part 13 regarding learning. Okay, in this we are going to learn about factors affecting the perception. Okay, what are the factors is there for the perception affecting? Okay, in this mainly three types is there. That is the first one, physical factors, psychological factors, environmental factors. Okay, these are the three factors is there for the affection of perception. Okay, perception factors affecting means, perception means అవగాహన. ఓకే, అవగాహనను ప్రభావితం చేయు అంశాలు. ఓకే, అవేంటి అనంటే ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిజికల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇస్ దేర్, నెక్స్ట్ సైకలాజికల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇస్ దేర్, ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఇస్ దేర్. Okay, in these physical factors again divided into two subtopics. Okay, in that first one, that is the physical stimuli, another one is the physical health. Okay, when the person is having a physically healthy, okay, physically healthy, they are not having any diseases, or they are having physically means bodily, means structurally, in a body having so many parts and so many systems, no. Okay, in a systems or in organs they are not having any disturbances or diseases. Okay, all organs, all structures, all functions is good. Okay, then the person is receiving or perceiving some information clarity. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే శారీరకంగా మానసికంగా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటారో ఆ ఇండివిజువల్స్ ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గురించి లేదా ఒక టాపిక్ గురించి వాళ్ళు క్లియర్గా దాని గురించి అవగాహన అనేది ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళకి. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ అన్హెల్దీ ఇన్ స్ట్రక్చరల్లీ ఆర్ ఫంక్షనల్లీ దేర్ బాడీ, దే ఆర్ నాట్ రిసీవింగ్ ఎనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ క్లియర్లీ. Okay, here they are having one physical stimuli. Okay, when they are having when they are receiving some physical stimuli, then they are receiving information clearly. Okay, in this first one, that is the physical stimuli, that is the light from oil little lamp. Okay, in the dark room. Okay, when dark room is there, without light we can't identify that objectives which one is there in the room. Okay, in dark room so many of furniture is there. Okay, when darkness is there we can't differentiate, okay, with clarity. Okay, small objectives is there in dark room, we are able to differentiate needle, no. Okay, sometimes oil light or sometimes that electricity bulbs. Okay, through this help we are differentiate which objectives. Okay, where is the needle or where is the sharpener or where is the scissors or whatever it may be, what equipment or what requirement you need for your work, you should able to differentiate in dark room which objective is there in which place. Okay, with the help of some brightness only we are differentiate. Okay, for example, in dark room one oil light, small little lamp is there, with the help of kerosene oil, then we are differentiate which objective is there in that dark room. Okay, that is the physical stimuli. Okay, that is the, what is that physical stimuli? Little oil lamp. ఓకే, చీకట్లో మనము వెలుతురు లేకుండా ఏ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్స్ని మనము క్లారిటీగా క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేయలేము. ఓకే, చిన్నది కనీసం మినిమం టార్చ్ లైట్ ఆర్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బల్బ్ ఆర్ లిటిల్ ల్యాంప్. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్గా పురాతన కాలంలో దీపాలు వెలిగిస్తూ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ చేయాలి. ప్రజెంట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ క్యాండిల్. Okay, with the help of candle or little oil lamp or sometimes electricity bulbs or sometimes torch light, means in the presence of these physical stimuli only we are differentiate some objectives in dark room. Okay, next another one, that is the physical health. Okay, in this physical health what happens means mentally ill patients is there. Okay, sometimes they are healthy physically, mentally means they are able to receive some information. Okay, if they are having any illness in mentally or physically, they are unable to receive that calling bell also. Okay, when they are having good in physical and mental, then they are receiving which objective, which stimuli is there by the externally. Okay, for example, ringing phone రింగ్ అవుతుంది, లేదా కాలింగ్ బెల్ మోగుతుంది, లేదంటే ఏవైనా ఒక స్టిమ్యులై హార్న్ వచ్చింది బైక్స్, వాటి యొక్క సౌండ్స్ని మనము రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము అని అంటే మెంటల్లీ వీఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు హెల్తీ, means through the mental capacity we are receiving, we are perceiving some objectives or some information. Okay, if mentally illness means we are unable to differentiate, that is the calling bell or that is the phone ringing. Okay, next another one, that is the, these two are the physical factors for the perception. Okay, next another one, that is the psychological factors. In these subtopics, that is the mood, interest, emotions, sometimes memory images. Okay, in this mood, sometimes happiness is there, happy mood is there, means everyone is happy. Okay, in a happy situation we have good mood. Okay, sometimes a sad situation is there, means the persons are having a sad mood. For example, if failure we are getting in our exams, then we are happy? No, we have sad mood. Okay, sometimes we are getting good events, or sometimes we are celebrating our birthdays, or sometimes some functions we are celebrating with happiness, means we get a good happy mood. Okay, next another one, that is the interest. Okay, in this interest what happens means the persons having a likeness, or what is that, they are having habitually they are collecting some stamps, they are differentiate, or they are what is that, notice that which stamp is good, which one is the unable good. Okay, they are having interest on particular work, means they are doing successful. Okay, if they are having unability to do some interest on that particular work, means వాళ్ళకి సరైనటువంటి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేదు అని అంటే ఆ వర్క్ని వాళ్ళు చేయలేరు. ఓకే, when they are having full interest on the particular subject or particular matter, they are success their subject or exams or event or occasion. Okay, next another one, that is the emotions. Okay, in these emotions they are having unfavorable moments, means they are having that is negative emotions. Okay, negative emotions, that is the crying, or sometimes depression, or sometimes anxiety, whatever it may be. Okay, if they are having favorable situations, favorable stimuli they are perceiving, means they are having positive emotions. Okay, they are always smiling nature, or they are having a good behavior, or they are having a what is that, a laughing situation in each and every situation, means that stimuli is important. Okay, that stimuli is important, that stimuli is favorable situation or unfavorable situation. Okay, if favorable conditions means they are having positive stimuli, if unfavorable situations means negative stimuli they are having. Okay, next another one, that is the memory images. Okay, in these memory images what happens means, for example, we learn about kids. Okay, the kid is first time observed horse by what is that, in real life. Okay, in real life or in reality they are observed some horses. Okay, already the kid learned about cow. Okay, how the cow is there, what is the structure of cow, okay, what is the color of cow, they learn. Okay, when they are first time observe that horse, they are asking, okay, what is this, already I learned about cow. Okay, again this structure is there, what is this. Okay, this is the what is that, image or memory images. Okay, అంటే చిన్నపిల్లలు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళకి ఈ ఆవులు ఎద్దులు ఎలా ఉంటాయో తెలుసు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒకసారి వాళ్ళు గుర్రంని చూసినట్లయితే, ఓకే ఇదేంటిది, ఓకే వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ హార్స్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కౌ ఆర్ నాట్. ఓకే, సేమ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆర్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఈక్వల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఈస్ దేర్, 4 extremities is there, 1 head is there, 1 tail is there, what is this. Okay, then the head of the family or persons who is there, that one they are telling this is cow, this is horse, like that they are giving some clear information regarding pictures. Okay, next another one, that is the environmental factors. Okay, in these environmental factors what happens means some direct experience is there, sometimes indirect experience, means direct experience or past experience. Another one, that is the needs and motives. Okay, in this direct experience, okay, direct experience means when we will directly observe that particular objectives. Okay, sometimes we learn about theory. Okay, then we are practically observed. Okay, we are having a good memory regarding when we are practically observed. ఓకే, మనము దాని గురించి విన్నప్పుడు కంటే ప్రత్యేకంగా చూసినప్పుడు ఎక్కువగా శ్రద్ధ లేదా మెమొరీ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, మనము వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ప్రాక్టికల్గా దాన్ని మనము ఎప్పుడైతే అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేసినామో దాని గురించినటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మన దగ్గర ఎప్పటికీ ఉండిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్, ద ఫ్రూట్స్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ ఫ్రమ్ సమ్ ట్రీస్, or the fruits having good taste or sweet taste, or sometimes the structure, color, like that we are learn about fruits. Okay, when we will directly observe that fruits, okay, then we are differentiate. Okay, these are the oranges, these are the bananas, these are the apples, like that we are differentiate. Okay, what is the size of apple we learn, what is the structure of a banana we learn, what is the color of banana we know. Okay, like that means when we will observe directly, okay, then we are giving some good information, confident in on the particular information. Okay, for example, we are identified some fruits, that is the apples, or color of apple, size of apple, or smell or taste. Okay, we learn about, okay, regarding that. Next another one, that is the past experience. Okay, in this past experience what happens means, for example, we learn about something. Okay, or one person is there, one patient is there in the hospital. Okay, in yesterday our morning duty, okay, we are completed our duty. Okay, we learn about that particular patient. Okay, what is that patient, what is that condition of the patient. Okay, what medications we are going to give that patient, regarding that we learn in yesterday. Okay, when now today we are going to do some care to the patient, we are recollect some clear information regarding that particular patient. Okay, next another one, that is the needs and motives. Okay, in these needs and motives what happens means, in this two boys is there, one is the rich boy is there, one is the poor boy is there. Okay, in rich boy they are not having any hungry. Okay, they are stomach fully they are eating. Okay, they have complete food. Okay, what is their favorite food, that will be available in their home, they are eating completely. Okay, that poor man is there, or poor boy is there, due to the poverty, the poor boy they are not having food. Okay, they are having full hungry. Okay, in that that rich boy they are searching for playing. Okay, which is the play games, or which one is very good, or which toy is there. Okay, which toy is useful our play games. Okay, regarding that they are searching only play games or toys. Okay, that poor boy is always searching for satisfying or fulfilling their hungry. Okay, where is the food, or which area will be food will be available to me, like that they are searching. Means here the motive, or the particular motive is the hungry. Okay, due to the hungry the person is searching for food. Okay, this is the needs and motives. Okay, the person having some needs, then they are proceed for fulfilling their need. Okay, sometimes in their personal life the person having some motivation. Okay, due to that motivation also they are satisfying their motivation. Okay, this is called as the environmental factors in the perception.